to suck on YouTube? You started a YouTube channel. How not to suck on YouTube? Everyone starts out kind of sucky. And how do they start out sucky? Well, the lighting may be off. Sound may be a little muffled. The picture might be a little grainy. Invest in your channel. This is how not to suck. Invest in your channel. And when you're first starting out, of course, all you need is your camera. For my channel, I had to invest in better lighting. I'd say the best way not to suck on YouTube is to improve the channel. To make quality videos instead of quantity. Don't make a bunch of videos about any old thing. You see topics that's trending. You'll see people doing other things that have nothing to do with your niche. We want quality over quantity. If you just make a bunch of videos, say, oh, I'm going to the park with my family, and you film that and put it up, well, people don't really know you at first. They don't know you when you first make a channel. They don't know your personality. They don't know who you are. And they're not going to get to know you through a walk in the park with your family. How they're going to get to know you that you make something of quality. Hello everyone, this is Star Angelique. Oh, don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. Express your personality, but without a lot of fluff. The fluff is going off on other subjects, talking about other things that don't have anything to do with your niche. Throwing it up there, thinking that if you're going to put a lot of videos on your channels, you're going to get a lot of views. And that's just not the case. In order for your video not to suck, get to the point. Get to the point of the video. Give them some value in the beginning of the video when you want to put the exciting stuff on. You don't want to wait. You don't want to hesitate. Put all the exciting stuff there, because when people first are going to watch, they have a small attention span, so they're going to click off right away. We said quality over quantity. Quality over quantity. Not putting a bunch of channels that don't have anything to do with your niche on your craft. Say you were a golfer. You start golfing, you're going to get good at golfing. You're going to film it, and you're going to see where you went wrong, and how are you going to angle your hands to putt the ball. Well, it's the same with videos. You're going to learn how to own your craft, how to get better at it, how to get skillful, and how to learn the information in order to pass to somebody else. How to be authority in that. You're going to work on your PR. To get the information out, I'm going to add a bonus. Backgrounds, the environment you're in. Always have a clean home before you do your videos. Those type of things matter. If I see somebody's going to have a messy home, why would I follow them? I want to follow somebody who is organized, clean, neat, and has their life together more than I do. So that I can look at them and say, oh, okay, they're a good example. That's another way not to suck. Care more about the aesthetics of your channel, your branding, your colors. Think more on how you're going to narrow down your niche. These will really help your channel not to suck. I think I'm leaving some things out, so I'm going to refer to my notes, and I'll be back. Okay, make better videos. Collaborate with those who have like minds. You'll draw in more like minds like you. And you can draw in some of their subscribers. And you guys can collaborate and think about more ideas. I mean, I have big plans for this channel. I would love to collaborate with others. And they have the type of personality I like. And some of their views is aligned with mine. They have a treasure trove of information. And they worked and owned their craft as well. We're going to come back with more. We're always going to talk about these subjects. These are the things you can do so that your channel won't suck. I hope that you got a lot out of this. This is the Star Angelique. Feel free to rate, comment, subscribe. I'll be back soon.